This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 78 of building the Ford GT40. Let's have a look through the magazine first. Denny, I don't know who Denny is, but obviously driver by the looks of it. There we go. You can read all about him if you so desire. Lots of stuff about him. He's obviously quite an important person. And then we are going to be building the upper right engine block. It's fairly simple. There's a little bit to put in, a couple of screws to put in. And then that will be that completed. Nice and easy, self-contained. And then next time we'll probably be adding it to the bit that we've already got. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get the engine block assembled. So the parts we have today, all plastic except for the screw, obviously. We've got the side and the other bit. This is, what's that? Does it say what it is? It does say what it is. It's the right cylinder head, right cylinder engine block, and the filler tube, oil filler tube. It's nice to have a tube every so often. So yeah, we're going to be needing 3 of these screws. We'll get all 4 out. It's fine. So the filler tube fits into there. Just like so. And 1 screw will hold that in place. Probably be all right without a screw, but it says to use one, so we will. We shall screw that into the other end of that. That will hold the oil filler tube secure, and then that goes onto top of that, and 2 more screws hold that together, one either end. We've got a larger and a small pin there, so you know which one's which. It can only go in one way around. So let's get those 2 screws in there. One there, one in there. Come on, you know you want to. There you go. So there we have another issue complete. These GT40 build videos are very short, but hopefully just as sweet and enjoyable to watch as some of my longer ones. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. Do let me know, and I shall see you very soon for the next part, where I think we're going to be installing this onto the block that we've started building already. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.